Hello everyone and welcome back for my final morning report analysis video of Wednesday 2nd of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. So we're going to look at gold, which had, I've been focusing on this key pivot band of long-term support, 1300 to 1310, and every time in 2018 the market has dipped into that, it's been bought into every single time. Now, yesterday's close, and I stress this, the closing level was 1303.60. That was the lowest close we've had in 2018. And that does reflect on the fact that the market is increasingly sort of putting pressure to the downside. That 36 on the RSI was a closing low, again confirming that the market is really putting pressure on that sort of 1300 key support. However, is the market going to sort of hold on to this downside move? Well, we've had a bit of a rebound today, 1310 again, sort of basis of old support. Does that become new resistance? Well, I think more to the fact that I think 1315 on the hourly chart, as you can, if I zoom out here, 1315 sort of is that supportive move from last week up to 1325. So $10 of resistance really. The market's sort of stalling around 1312 today as this move unwinds. But yeah, I mean, just similar to silver really. I talked about silver in my main chart analysis. It has unwound, but is it sort of enough to really sort of suggest that there is a recovery? Well, at the moment it's still trending lower, as you can see here. And you've got this negative configuration on momentum indicators, so at the moment rallies are still being sold into, and unless it really makes a decisive move, I think above 1315, and that downtrend comes in 1317 today, so there is still scope for a bit of a bit more of a recovery, a bit more of a bounce today. But yeah, I don't see this yet as a decisive recovery, and I think that there could be more pressure on 1300 in due course, and certainly if that dollar continues to strengthen, that will be the case, be the driving factor of gold lower. But for now, the market has unwound a touch following on from yesterday's strong bear candle. But again, if it's sort of, you can argue the resistance of yesterday's high 1316, again around that 1315 area, suggests that it really does need to sort of pull above that 1315, 1316 area to really start to sort of suggest that there is possibly a recovery at play, and there's anything more than that bull candle that has just unwound momentum really. So possible bounce to be sold into, I think, and put further pressure on 1300. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.